Hi friends, you are watching Learn to Update. Welcome to the another video of job news series. We have many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated. And all the links for the job notifications and off-campus drives which I am going to explain in this video are given below in the description box. So if you are interested in any job notification or off-campus drive, you can simply check the description box below and apply for the job notification which you are interested and eligible. And the first organization is Cisco. Cisco is hiring for project specialist, new grad Indian UHR. Recent graduate or on your final year of studies towards a bachelor's degree or a master's degree in business management, finance, math, accounting, information systems or related field from an accredited institution before the program date start. So this is the educational qualification for the Cisco job notification, and some of the responsibilities and educational qualifications are given here. So if you are interested, you can simply click on apply button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is IoT Technologies Private Limited. So they are hiring for junior developer front end. And the educational qualification for this organization is BE, BTech, CS or IT, BCA, MCA. And the target batch is 2021. And some other details like job description and skill set required are also given here, and the interview process are given here in this website. So if you are interested and eligible for this job role, you can simply click on login button and it will take you to the apply button. And the next organization is ZS. So ZS is hiring for Decision Analytics Associate, Pune, India. Educational qualifications for this job role is bachelor's degree in any engineering discipline, MIS, operations management or other relevant degree. And some other qualifications and responsibilities for this ZS Decision Analytics Associate are given in this website. And the next organization is ABB. So ABB is hiring for graduate engineer. So the details and the responsibilities are given here in this website, and the background is your background should be required graduate engineers from premier institutions like IIT, IIIT with information technology or computer science stream, and some other background scores like are given here in this website. And if you are interested and eligible for this job role, you can simply click on apply now button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is again ZS, but this time it is some different role, Business Operations Associate. This is also for Pune, India, and the required qualifications is BSc and BTech. So engineering and science graduates are eligible for this job role, and the science graduates who completed their applied mathematics, statistics or econometrics can apply for this job role. And MSc graduates are also eligible for this job role, and some other responsibilities are also given here. And if you are eligible and interested for this job role, you can simply click on apply now button. And the next organization is Cloud SL Soft India Private Limited. So they are hiring for software developer, and the eligibility is 2019-2020 batch, BE, BTech, MTech, any stream, great PH score, good academic record are the eligibilities for this job role. And is currently hiring for two roles, junior software backend developer, key skills will be Java, J2EE or Python, junior front-end developer, key skills Node.js or React.js, and junior cloud engineer, key skills AWS, Azure Cloud Services. And job description are all given here, and the eligibility is also given in this website. If you are interested for this job role, you can simply click on login to apply and it will take you to the further processes. And the next organization is Cerner. So Cerner is hiring for test automation engineer, and the educational qualifications will be bachelor's degree in computer engineering, computer science, information science or related field or equivalent or relevant work experience. So this is the basic qualifications, and the preferred qualifications are also given here, and the skills and additional information for this job role is available in this website. And if you are interested and eligible for this job role, you can simply click on apply now button here and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is BT. So BT is hiring for trainee associate engineer, and the job ID is given here. And about this role and some other options like skills and experience are all given here, and how to apply option is also given here, and those graduates who completed their BE, BTech and MCA can apply for this job role. And if you are interested, you can simply click on apply now all in button, and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Siemens. So Siemens is hiring for graduate trainee graphic and design engineer, and the educational qualification for this job role is associate degree in graphics design or 1 to 2 years of relevant vocational training preferred. Specialized skill training or certification may be required. So, and any engineering background is okay. Preferable mechanical engineers, diploma engineers are the preferable candidates for this job role. And some other qualifications and some skills and responsibilities are given here in this website. If you are interested, you can simply click on apply button, and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Boeing. So Boeing is hiring for associate real-time software engineer, and some benefits are all given here. So your basic qualifications will be 1+ year of experience in C, C++ or Python with strong software development, optimization and problem solving skills, proficiency in JavaScript and Linux operating system. So these are all basic qualifications for this job role. And typical educational and experience required is related work experience or an equivalent combination of education and experience. So these are the educational and experience required for this Boeing. And next organization is Micro Focus. So Micro Focus is hiring for software engineer system, and the responsibilities are all given here, and the educational and experience required is bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or information technology or equivalent. So this is the educational and experience required, and some knowledge and skills and responsibilities are all given here in this website. And finally, all the job news which I covered in this video, and the links will be provided in the description box. If you are eligible and interested for any job role, you can simply check out the description box and click for the link which you are interested and eligible for. So finally, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video, friends. Keep learning.